Okhulumela umnyango wamaphoyisa omgwaqo eGauteng uSilo Marimana onxusa abashayeli beyimoto, abashayeli bamabhayisikile kanjalo nabahamba ngezinyawo ukuthi bahloniphe imithetho yomgwaqo futhi bashayele ngokucophelela zikhathi zonke. Kwenzeka lokhu nje isiminyaminya seyimoto sisezingeni eliphezulu emzileni emikhulu ephumayo nengena esifundazweni. Abaningi baye endaweni ezahlukahlukene ngesikhathi samaholidi kaKhisimusi. Ekhuluma ohlelweni lwethu olusematheni kuleli Soweto Today mayelana nokulungela kwabomthetho ukulungiselela amaholidi kaKhisimusi, uMarimana uphinde wanxusa abashayeli beyimoto ukuthi bagweme ukushayela bephuzile.
Of course, it is that time of the year where we are anticipating heavy traffic flows. I mean, this coming Friday, many companies will be closing for the festive period, and the same goes with your, schools which have closed. We are anticipating a lot of movements, and our traffic flow is going to be heavily congested, especially on our freeways. Is this we are appealing to our road users at large, be it category of pedestrians, be it motorists, be it passengers, to really exercise care and be vigilant when they are utilizing our public roads. The road space, we need to share it because you have all categories of road users utilizing our public roads. But our message as law enforcement agencies is always very clear. Majority of our road crashes, Thabo, are caused by human error, human behavior. Very few of our crashes are caused by things such as unroadworthy vehicles or even a road which is not so conducive. So we still have a problem in as far as the behavior of human beings are concerned. We all know that driving under the influence of intoxicating alcohol is strictly prohibited. You've got a legal limit. Your law says, your National Road Traffic Act says is 0.05 gram per 100 milliliters in terms of blood. But our people continue to consume alcohol, and I'm yet to see a person going to a shebeen, drinking and having a breathalyzer measuring the amount of alcohol that they shall have consumed. So our message is very clear to them to say, do not drink and drive. So we still experience a lot of people, because of course they will be on holidays now, so there will be more time for them to start to consume alcohol. We cannot prevent them from consuming the alcohol, but the problem is that the moment when they start driving vehicles while intoxicated, it becomes illegal. It's one problem.